Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your WhatsApp account. Now let's begin. Initially, let's simply move over to WhatsApp. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So in case you have not, do log in right now. At the top right next to the search icon, there is a button like this with some 3 dots. Click on it right now. Now do note that there are lots of options available, but since we're only focusing on how to delete an account, let's simply go to settings. There are lots of options here like accounts, everything. And I do believe that deleting an account lies within this account section, so let's click on accounts. Once you're in this page, you'll see something like this, like add account, request account info and everything. But at the very bottom, you will find the delete account button. Click on it right now. Once you've clicked on it, it's gonna give you an option like this, whether you want to change your number or in case you simply want to delete your account, enter your WhatsApp number right here. I'm gonna enter mine right now. As you can see, I've already entered my number, so let's click on delete account right now. It's gonna ask me something like this to select your reason. You can select reason whatever your choice is. And once everything's okay, let's again click on delete account. It's asking for our final confirmation. Yes, we do want to delete, so let's click on delete account once again. Well guys, that's it. That's how you delete your WhatsApp account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.